Hey everybody, Acre Love Homestead here. Today we are going to be working on the quail and the chicken houses. Sorry, had a brain fart there. So I've got one of these. I went and got some zip ties because I need to fix this one house where I had those roosters in. The roosters are gone, so now I can utilize it for something else. Oh, it's going to be another hot one today, y'all. So let's get over here and we're going to put some of these zip ties along the bottom. And then I'm going to move these chickens here over here. And that way I can put my quail in the middle because that one sits flusher down to the ground. So hopefully y'all can see this. So this one, it sits flusher down to the ground. The only thing I need to fix on the inside is that back part on the inside. But that shouldn't be too bad. But at least this one, they can't fly out from the top right here either. And this one doesn't seem to be moved around by the wind so much. So what we're going to do today is move around some chickens. Why are there so many feathers in this? Who's fighting? Y'all better stop fighting. Hopefully my new rooster will be here today. I'm getting a different rooster for this pen. I need to clean that pen out. But slowly but surely, we're getting things done. I'll probably bring that other pen around here and get it put together because that other pen is going to go in this spot. I mean, I guess it wouldn't have made a difference, but I needed to get some stuff moved around and be able to get some chickens moved around and stuff like that. So that's what I'm kind of working on today. Trying to get that done, get everything settled. I want to have everyone settled before the winter. Because I don't plan on doing this in the winter. Maybe the fall, yes. Winter, probably not going to happen. But I'd like to be able to bring those chickens over here. Because whenever the babies are bigger, I'm going to have a whole bunch of silky mixed babies. And I got to fix it to where they can't get out. And I cut the feet off of these. I don't know if I told y'all. I cut the feet off of these cages. That way that they'd sit flusher down to the ground. And it seemed to work. But the only problem is that some of these zip ties, I mean, this wire on these cages are not that great. It's not like wire. It feels like plastic wire or something. I don't know. But the zip ties tend to come loose all the time. Or off. Because we get a lot of wind. Yes, we hear you. We get a lot of wind here. And it moves it around, so that's why I always lose my zip ties. Get out of the way, sunflower. Or don't get out of the way. There we go. Don't want to put it. Okay. Sunflower. This year we're going to have abundance of sunflowers again, I think. I'm trying to keep them out of my gardening area. Because I don't want them in the gardening area. Because last year they took over like crazy. It was awful. I wouldn't be able to put quail in this one because this wire is all messed up on this one. Whoops, I just dropped all my zip ties here. Oh, come on. I'm trying to get this done before it gets too hot. I'm going to just put a few quail in that one just to test it out. To see if there's any escape routes for them other than what I can see. Like I say, just to, can be a test dummy on that. So, but as soon as the better I get these zip ties on, hopefully these zip ties will last a little bit longer than the other ones. The only thing I don't really like about this right here is that it's up like that. And I think that's because it sits. No, it ain't gonna matter. that back pole in the back, the wind bent it. So that's not a good thing. I wonder what I could put right there. Hey, 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 stop chasing that chicken. You know better. Let me see if I can get this to come down some. Might be too high. Ouch. Wonder what I could put right there to keep that. I was supposed to bring in some dirt and haven't done it yet. Dirt ain't that cheap, I can tell you that much. Okay, now I gotta go on the inside and do some of the inside. Actually, I'm gonna put one right here. Well, darn it, come on. Probably gotta put one there. What did I do? Just miss this whole section? That's an ant bed. Okay. Yeah, that was an ant bed. Stuck my hand right in that ant bed. Hopefully 200 zip ties is gonna work. I don't know why that pole's like that. Can't be because it's sitting on a hill. I'm pretty sure the wind bent that pole. Come on. Watch out, Rocky. Todd, no! Oh, my knee jammed up on me. Todd! No! didn't put this one together, my son did. I wonder if that's why I'm having to go back and fix things on it. Okay, there's some stuff. Well, I got some of it done. Ow, got attacked by a wire. They're good little cages. The problem is that the wiring on it is just awful. What I may have to do is I may just have to buy the wire and replace it with regular chicken wire. I know that duck ain't in that yard again. Not the smartest duck I got. I had to get a little wire and put it there. Okay, I think this one is good to go. Maybe. Something seems like something tried to get through there. That's how flimsy that wire is. I wouldn't doubt if something can't just blast through. Who knows? Let's get some of these chickens. I'm gonna move some of these chickens around. Hopefully she'll let me catch her. I hear a hawk. Oh, quit it. No sense in that fighting all the time. Y'all be fighting all the time. All right, come on, we're moving houses. This is gonna be fun. Come on, boy. Oh, you're fine. Hey, 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 you're fine. Nothing's happening to you. You're fine. You're fine. You're just gonna move houses. You wanna move houses? Look. Let's show them how pretty you are. See, I'm a pretty boy. Yeah, I'm a pretty boy, aren't you? Say hi. Yeah. You're a pretty boy, huh? Pretty boy. Yes, you are. Your mom's pretty boy. All right, look, there's grass in there you can munch on, too. This one right here's not even supposed to be out. She's not even... Wrong way, goofball. Come on, girl. Ow, my hair got caught. Come on, girl. You're fine, you're fine, you're fine. Let's show them how pretty you are. See, I'm pretty. Ow, that was my knee. See, I'm a pretty girl. You a pretty girl? Yeah. She got green feet, too. That's why she lays a green egg. And if y'all can see, so silkies have 5 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And she got them on both feet. But she's a silky mix, is what she is. See, I'm a silky mix. Well, we gotta get your bowl and put it in there. Go. There's some grass in there, too. There you go. Put your food right there. Get out, Rocky. These other chickens, they got to go over there with the turkeys. Why they're over here, I have no clue. Okay, you two. Come on. I know, I know. It's awful. I know, I know. Man, my knee is not cooperating today. Get in there. I don't know what's going on with my knee today. Not cooperating at all. No working, stay out. This one's fast. Can't say that. Yep, told you. I got you. Haha. Yes, 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 I know. I'm just hurting you so bad. Goodness. Goodness, goodness. Hurting you so bad. Get in there with your crew. I gotta get some rock or some better, because they go underneath the fence is what they do. So I need to put, actually, wonder if I can stick this one in there. Also, might deter them from going that way. Let's see. Or I'll probably just fill it up with some rocks. Because that was the whole point of getting the dirt. But I can't afford the dirt right now. There, that might work. Just for now. Till I'm able to load that. I was either going to get gravel or I was going to get dirt. I wanted to do the gravel, but the gravel is a little bit more expensive. All right, now I got to move her house. Oh, we got an egg. Little blue egg. He does his job. Because I get lots of eggs from her. They're tiny. Tiny little things. Hold on, I'm going to get your house in there. They utilize this too when it's windy. They'll go in there. When she lays an egg, they'll go in there. They're hiding from that hawk, they go in there. All right, girl, where you want me to put it? Put it over here in this corner. There we go. At least it's on top of grass and out of the way. Okay, you're all set. Just got to get your water in here. So you just got to get your water. And I'm going to buy those other waterers like that red one for everybody. In case if I go on vacation for a few days, that'll at least last them a few days. They're just so expensive. I think those things are like $60-something. All right, there you are. Now you happy. Happy, happy chickens. We have happy chickens. See, we're happy chickens. Valentina, are you okay over there? I think this will be good. I'm going to buy a new tarp for this one too, heavy duty tarp. And then eventually, I'm going to look today and I'm going to see about ordering some of those small rabbit houses that I can just put in there. Because they're just too little, you know, chickens. So they can use, you know, pretty good, fairly decent sized rabbit house. And then I'm going to do that on the quail too. And then I'll do it on the turkey. So I may do that today. Because I can get those on Shein. And I don't have to pay that much. Every 2 weeks I don't have to pay that much. So Shein does have some pretty good stuff. That's where I get these cages from too. One thing I don't like about these cages is that wiring. As long as I keep an eye on it, I think it'll be okay. And they seem happy. But in here is where we're going to put the quail. At least do a couple of test dummies on it. I need to go find another one of them poles. Pretty sure I got one somewhere. Because I need to fix the back end. Need to fix this back end part that back here. Because they can easily slip through there. I wonder if I pull it forward a little bit. If that would even it out. Let's see. Oh, got stuck on my shoe. Yeah, well, it'd have to be right there. It'd have to, nope, because over there on the side, nah, I'm just going to leave it like it is. And then what I'll do is I'll just fix the back. So I don't want it too far away from that fence either, because that fence blocks a lot of the wind. So I think right here we will just fill in with some rock. Maybe we can fill it in with some rock like this. Okay, like that right there. Too bad I don't have any more of them cylinders. That would be perfect. It does get warm in here. I might have to run some sprinkler fans out here this summer. I hear a quail. It's interesting. Wonder if I should just go and get one of them posts. Might be better. I'm gonna go get one of them posts. Rocky says, Mom, you locked me in. Sorry. Didn't mean to lock you in there. I wouldn't leave you in there forever. Okay, so let's see. Because this is still gonna sit up off the ground, I think. Let's see here what we can do. Okay, now this. Put that up as close as I can get it. But I'm still going to have to fill it in with a couple of different rocks. They could just swoop right through there. Interesting. I think I technically need it there. Let's see if I can find one more rock. Like a brick type. Watch out, Todd. Let's see. Watch out. I'm also going to have to watch for snakes this year too. They love to eat my quail. Okay, that fixed that one. See if I can get some of these small ones to stick in there. Martina, you sure do stand in the way. Okay. Not too shabby, I think. So we got it fixed in there. Hopefully y'all could have seen that. I think that sun's awfully bright. So I got it. So we're up to where I put some bricks in here for now until I figure out something else. Just blocks that so they can't get out. And everything else is closed in all the way around. This one, like I say, this is the one who sits more flush on the ground. So, guess I'll go get a couple of quail. See if this is going to work out. Hopefully it will. Okay, so as I was walking off, I noticed I have this open. Rocky, come on. Out. Thank you. No. But I'm wondering, Rocky, stop. I wasn't gone for an hour. I was gone for like 2 minutes. You have a lot of anxiety issues, buddy. Yes, yes, yes. I love you. I love you. Now go. Go, Rocky. Go. Go. Hey, listen here. I can't work. What are you doing? So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put a hole here and here. I'm going to attach it to this so when it opens like this and they can't get out. Pretty sure that's what I'm going to do. Ew. Chicken poo on there. Nasty. Hopefully that hole's in the right spot. Guess we're about to find out. Well, darn it, that was too high. I should have went a little lower. Darn it. Well, dadgummit. What's wrong with these scissors? Okay. That means I gotta sit on the ground for this one. Oh! Let's just hope I can get back up. Okay, so it's gotta be like this. Don't want it to rub the ground too much. Still can block that opening off. Okay, let's see if I can mess it up again. I'm gonna have to move that hole though. Okay, now let's do the other side. This is probably a long and boring video, but these are things that you got to do on your homestead. Is that a pole? I think I'm going to have to put some dirt right there or something. Hopefully it still opens. Okay, let's see if that's right. Oh, golly. Yeah, I think that'll work. Okay, so now let's go bring some quail. There's something on my camera. I can see it. It's gonna be a long video, y'all. Long video of nothing but fixing a quail cage, putting zip ties. And that's a long video. But hey, I know I don't get a lot of people that watch the whole thing. And if they did, you might, learn something. Or see that, stuff, hey, this is actually what happens on where she lives. But a lot of people don't stick around that long. That's okay. Some of the videos are boring. But if you ain't got nothing to do, just turn it on. Let it roll. So these are the quail that I think I'm going to test it out with. At least I'm going to take maybe 2. I don't have my little cage. Oh, you know what? Actually, I do have my little cage. Let's go get my little cage. I let somebody borrow my cage the other day, and I couldn't remember if they brought it back or they didn't bring it back. But I think they did. Need to message that guy about my rooster, too. Tell you what, I've worked up a sweat. Ta-da! Best thing ever. I gotta get all that stuff out of there because we're going to the show this weekend. I gotta get all that stuff out of there. Got my cage. These cages come in handy. Somebody gave them to me. All right, let's see. Got a vulture flying over. As long as you keep away them hawks. So let's take some of these quail and go test it out. No, Rocky. These are smaller quail, so hopefully they won't have such an issue. Hey, hey, oh, come on. Rocky, wrong way. Got an escape artist. Hang on, I gotta catch a loose one. Rocky. Oh, get it, Rocky. Good boy. No, don't take off with it. Supposed to just catch it. Get it, Rocky. He's in the bushes. Where's she at? There she is. Got you. I got her. I got her. Good job, boy. So Rocky will sometime help me catch them when they get loose. That's another reason why they need to be in their own area, too. They get tired of them flying out of here and me having to catch them. Oh, there goes another one. Rocky, get it. Oh, wrong way, Rocky. Oh, wrong way, Rocky. Go the other way. Ow! That thing's got spiny things on it. Oh, you twerp. Rocky, go the other way. Get it. Get it, Rocky, get it. Get it, Rocky, get it. Back in the bushes. Man, they're fast. Did you get it or no? Nope. She better go out the other way. Wait, Rocky, wait. Man, this one's fast. Go around, Rocky, go around. Right there, buddy. She's going the other way. Got her. I got her. Or him, whatever. Thank you. Good boy. So, I think I'm going to take these 4. Clearly, they're the ones that can fly. All right, Rocky, go on. Let's go take them over here. And we will see how this goes. You're missing one of your... Oh, no, there he is. I know. I got to fill up your pools. They're not happy with me. I got to fill up their pools. Rocky did good job. It is already warming up out here, y'all. It's going to be 80 today. All right, here we go. And test it out. Oh, tell me you got your neck stuck. No, Rocky, out. Hey, out. Thank you. Well, let's see what happens. No, Rocky. You already did your job. They're in there. Hopefully, I don't know why I'm fixing to order me a new phone. Because the camera on this one is starting to be no good. See that? Yeah, I'm fixing to order me a new phone. I'm over this one. They're going to test any and everything that they can to try to get out. Wow, I don't know why that's being blurry. I wonder if my phone's overheating. Well, guys, that's what I got for today. We got some of the quail moved in, and hopefully they will stay in here, and hopefully we won't have any snakes get in here or any, raccoons or anything like that. Hopefully not. I do think that eventually I'm going to put some wire along the bottom here just to, predator proof it a little bit more. But that's kind of what we have. And guys, I hope y'all, you like, you subscribe, you stick around. The spring and the summer's coming, so we're going to have lots of videos hopefully coming out, different things that we do around here. Some of them may be longer than other ones. They may be boring. You might learn something. If not, welcome to the channel. And this is how my life usually is whenever I'm not working or, stuff like that. But like and subscribe, guys. Share with your friends. God bless, and we will see y'all in the next one.